Hello guys, hope you are fine. And today's topic is I'll show it to you how to migrate a WordPress website using plugin. I'll use one plugin that is really a beautiful plugin. The name of the plugin is all-in-one migration and backup. I've been using it for a couple of years and they have really improved. Though there are many other plugins also. I'll just name them in description, but this is I really like. So I'll tell you from the scratch how can you can do it. And for that I'll tell you I have this website. You might have already noticed that this website I've been using, demo.wstuck.in. This is the website, right? And it has all these pages, filters, menus, sub menus, all these things are there. Contact us. So this is the website. I need to migrate this to another domain, right? From this domain I need to migrate it to another domain, and I have already created a subdomain. It's a temporary URL for this, and this is a blank site. I'll show it to you. Let's visit this. See, this is just a simple blank, and it does not have any theme. I mean, WordPress default theme is there, 20, 25, 24 and all these things. And if you just want to remove, you can do that. That's an optional. So there is no specific theme is installed, no plugin, just by default plugin, because I'm using Hostinger for my hosting. So by default it installs. Even if you remove all these plugins, that will be working perfectly fine. There is no problem with it. So from the scratch I'll tell you what exactly you need to do. First I'll show you how you need to install this all-in-one migration. This is their website, and you can download it from here as well. But what I do actually, generally what I do, I just go to this plugin and I click on add new plugin. Here you can type name of the plugin, like all-in-one migration. This is, and it will show it here, the first one, right? This is the plugin. Install it, and then it's very light weighted, so it's installed, right? So if you look on the left hand side in the dashboard, you will see the plugin had shown now, and it has many options: export, import, backup, reset. These features work with the premium version only, but right now we are working with free version. So what we need to do here, if we just want to create backup, we can create backup. So the same thing, because this is the blank website, here I need to install the website, right? I need to migrate the website to this domain, right? And this is the website. I'll go into the dashboard of this website, though it is already open. This is the website. I have already installed all-in-one migration. I'll show it to you. All-in-one migration, right? And it has been already installed and showing. I have already created the backup for this. 2-3 backups I have already created, and just to show you, I'll just create one more backup. So simply you need to click on create backup, right? And it depends totally that how what is the size of the website. Otherwise, if it is less than 200 MB or 300, it will not take much time. See, the size is 3 to 3 MB, right? So from here only I can just click on download now, and it's showing downloading, right? So within a couple of seconds or within 1 minute it will be downloaded. And after that, what I need to do, I'll tell you. I can close this thing, and I will go to the website, to the new domain where I need to migrate the website, right? So for that, what I need to do, it's almost about to be completed. If you see, one download is in progress, and it is done now, and it has been gone to the download folder. I'll show it to you. See, this is the website, right? So let me just show you now. The next step is what I need to do: import. If you click on this, it will show export import, so we need to import it. One important thing I just want to tell you here, it will be working perfectly fine, but just you may experience this issue that sometime the restriction of the local host or the server provider, generally they give us less space, approximately sometime 256 MB or 512 MB, but I have already changed that. So I'll just comment that video in description, that how you can increase size of this upload size. So right now it's perfectly fine. If you experience the problem, you can refer to that video, but it is working right now. I'll just click on import. It is the file, lots of things are there. You can get it from FTP, URL, Dropbox, Google Drive, so many, but this time I'm simply uploading. And this one is our backup, and I have just clicked on open and it's uploading now. It should not take time. Sometime it depends on your internet connection speed also, so you need to be bear with me for that. So it's going very fast, and meantime I would request you, if you like the video, please like and subscribe also. And if you have any kind of question, you can just put write in the comment box. We will try to reply all these comments as well. So it is 100%, and after this this will show the next screen, checking for compatibility. And this is a general warning that if you just want to proceed, so I have just clicked on proceed, and it's restoring the file now. File has already been uploaded and finished, right? So now I'll check it has been done, and let's check if the website is working or not. See, everything is working. So that's it you need to do, right? And now one more thing I just want to tell you, that earlier you might have used the different username and password for this domain, and different username and password for the older one. So the same everything's in database is also gets imported, so it changes the username and password as well, right? So your old password will work with a new website also. So it's working perfectly fine, and see, everything is fine. See, this is the subdomain, and this was the domain originally. It was working demo.wstech, and now it's the different domain. So that's all you need to do. Thank you so much guys, have a great day.